Refinancing a mortgage sounds like a nightmare, right? Papers flying everywhere, bankers speaking in riddles, and somehow your neighbor Steve is telling you to lock in the APR. But what if I told you refinancing could be smoother than a baby penguin sliding on ice and save you thousands? Strap in, because we're about to turn your mortgage horror story into a financial fairy tale. So, let's meet Lisa. Lisa was drowning in a 6.5% mortgage rate, clutching her wallet tighter than a grandma guarding her cookie jar. Every month, she'd write her check with tears streaming down her face, like a soap opera, but with bills. Her kitchen table became a battlefield of overdue statements, calculators, and at least 3 empty coffee mugs. Then one day, Lisa hears about refinancing. What is refinancing, she thinks? A scam? A secret society? Nope, just a fancy way of saying, swap out your old mortgage for a better one. Her mission to escape her soul-sucking interest rate and reclaim her life. Lisa starts by checking her credit score. Turns out, she's been a responsible adult all along, 750. That's higher than her kids' math grades. Next, she shops around for lenders, comparing rates like a die-hard coupon clipper hunting Black Friday deals. One lender offers 5.2%, and Lisa feels like she's won the lottery. But here's the catch. Refinancing isn't free. There are closing costs. Cue the dramatic music. Lisa stares at her budget like it just insulted her cooking. But because her new rate slashes her monthly payment by $300, she calculates that she'll break even on those costs within 18 months. Smart, right? Lisa was transforming before our eyes from a financial newbie to a refinancing ninja. Finally, Lisa submits her application. Now comes the waiting. It's like ordering a pizza online and refreshing the tracker obsessively. Approval day arrives, and Lisa celebrates by tossing her old mortgage statement into the shredder, confetti for the financially liberated. Lisa's life transformed. With her lower rate, she saved $3,600 in the first year alone. She upgraded her rusty toaster, started a vacation fund, and even took a salsa class. All thanks to refinancing. So, what's stopping you? Refinancing doesn't have to be chaos. It can be the smoothest financial move you'll ever make. Because when you tame your mortgage, you're not just saving money. You're reclaiming your peace of mind. Ready to slide like that baby penguin? Go refinance. Your wallet will thank you.